A very good evening. Hi everyone. Welcome to Dr. S.N.S. Rajlakshmi College of Arts and Science. A warm greetings from Dr. J. Vijayalakshmi, Department of Commerce with Computer Applications. Today, my topic is about a brand value chain. This is one of the main concepts in product development and the brand management. So, what is a brand value chain? So, if we go into the depth, it looks like a very simple, but the three terms brand, value, and chain. These three terms must go parallel to build a brand in a market as well as in customers' mind. So, when we have more conscious about this term, we can build a brand, a good brand in the market. So we'll see what it exactly is. So brand value chain is a strategic framework that maps the journey from the initial market stage to the different level in the market scenario. So we can say it's like a strategic planning. So it is a model that tracks how the marketing activities leads to a brand value through the four stages like marketing programs like investment, customer mindset, and market performance, shareholders value. It's structured as a approaches to see how the company's investments in a branding such a product, price, place, and promotion influences the customer's awareness and the loyalty, which is turn drives market performance. So it will focus on the market shares, price, and the premium, and ultimately increases the shareholders' value. Each stages is moderated by the multiple, including the quality of the marketing as well as the market program, that is internal and external conditions. So based on this, the market values are to be constrained. So if we think about the different levels in the market strategy, it is having the chain of architecture. So architecture means we'll know that it is a final outcome, and it is a planning and it's a execution process. The same thing will happen in the brand value chain. So what the market structure is exactly, how it is going to happen in the market, how we are going to build a good brand in the customer's mindset. So there may be a different stages. So generally we can have a four different stages, that is a marketing program, customers mindset, market promotions, and shareholders value. So when we focus on the four stages, it will mainly focus on the ultimate goal, that is how we can reach our destination. So all this happens with the different levels of the marketing strategy and the level of market what we are expected to achieve. So this will how it will works. So brand value chain is a linear process which each stages outcomes influences the next. So the transfer of value between the stages is not automatic. It influences by the exactly, it is influenced by the other factors, like it is a marketplace of the conditions and investors and sentiments, and it is depends upon the market professionals who are all involving in this. So based on this, we have on case studies like we have many case studies about the brand value chains, and we'll discuss a small case study in the classroom. So now we go into the interactive assessment multiple choice questions for the students. So based on this, we can get some ideas from the students how we can build a market chain, how we can build and create a market chain from the customers, how we can create a brand value which is very important to the market and customers point of view and their perception. So these all concept we have to overcome, and we'll have a discussion with the students by asking some questions. So which are the stages are directly influences the customers perceptions, and what is the multiples in the this contract, like you can have the true or false questions. If you get some kind of interactive questions with the students, and they try to learn and they try to answer, by answering these questions they will understand so what exactly the concept is. So this is what the framework how we can develop, and these are the steps and the process how this brand value chain works in the society, how it is getting reflected in the customer's mindset. So we can have even we can have a puzzles, and we can have some interactive sections with the students. So the best to take away from the this concept, they will know how to create a good brand, which creates a value in the society, and the quality and how they can be very it is very applicable to the current scenario. Thank you. Thank you for this opportunity.